Howdy folks, AZ Long here. So I thought I'd do an unboxing because for some reason people can't figure out either how to open a box or they don't know what's supposed to be in a box when they buy a box. And this is a box. It's a TracTive front suspension cartridges. So let's open the box. There it is, open the box. Now the struts are, I'm not sure what they call it, single side anyway. One's compression, one's rebound, which I hate. It comes with oil, comes with a multi-tool, a Allen wrench, and adjustment for the cap or tool for the cap, and also the preload, which is kind of cool. I am doing the complete struts instead of using or having my my original cartridges, KYB cartridges, revalved. Although there is a good person up in Oregon, and I'll put his name and stuff underneath in the comments, that has a pretty good setup for the Tuareg. And as you see in either this video or another short video, mine does have the damage. And so I thought, since maybe it would have the damage, I was going to just do a better system. I would really have liked double adjustable forks where you've got compression and rebound on both sides, but factories are cheaping out, and there is definitely a difference between a fork that's compression on one side and rebound on the other compared to compression on the bottom and rebound on the top on both forks. Anyway, for now, this is what I'm going to be doing. AZ Long, thank you for watching, and I will see you down the road, hopefully. Take care, ride safe, ride forever. AZ Long out.